are you going? Who's that? T-Rex.
Get ready for some fun and adventures outdoors. Get ready for some roars from a ton of dinosaurs. Get ready to cook up some delicious food. Where is Max? Where is Max? Coming to you.
Hi everyone. Hi, we miss you guys so much, and today we're going and doing another adventure.
This is fun!
Oh my god! So where are we going? We go to Jurassic Park! Oh my god!
The dinosaurs and the crocodile and animals.
What is it? Tunnel. Who are you? Are you a dinosaur? Where are you going? Where are you going? Jurassic Park. Yoo-hoo.
Okay, this island public.
Just came to Dinosaur Kingdom and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Jurassic Park. What is it? Dinosaur and the dragon, and there's a pirate. Can you see the pirate? Wow, look at that. It's a pirate. Oh my god. Max? Maxi, you excited?
Look!
What is that? Mystic creatures. Is it scary?
Look!
Excited?
Look at that. Maxi, is Christmas coming soon? Why? I don't know. Because it comes every year? Are you excited about Christmas? Look at these reindeers! And wow!
Mama, how about next time?
Yeah, of course.
Let's go! Follow the leader. What? Who's that? Oh my god.
It's salty because like
Is it salty?
yeah, it's really good.
Wow.
What about these ones? Do you know the name of these? Come tell me first. What's the name of this?
Brachiosaurus.
And there's a Brachiosaurus too. What about this?
Triceratops.
Triceratops. What's this one?
Spinosaurus.
Spinosaurus. Good boy. And this one?
Spinosaurus.
This one's Spinosaurus. And this one's what's the other one?
Bronchos. No, I know.
Let's go.
Oh wait, I don't know. Something 1250.
Look at the skeleton. Look at the nose. The nose is so sharp.
Look at those. Wow.
Not Nemo. What's the other one?
Dory.
Yeah,
It's like a dory. Wow. Butterflies. Let's go find some butterflies. Look at this.
Let's get hands and see if they come.
Do you like butterflies?
Yeah, let's go.
They're like dinosaurs more or butterflies? Dinosaur.
Just came to see some butterflies. They're so pretty. Oh, they're so pretty and cute. So many different butterflies. Like there's different butterflies. Do you guys know any butterflies?
He's just having he's had a sleep. He looks very full and tired.
Come out of the water. Look at that.
He's just tired and wow.
There's one more. Whoa, look at that.
What do you know about crocodiles?
Because she even like meat.
They eat meat.
Let's go somewhere else. Let's go see something else.
Wow.
Out the way.
We're going in Kiwi forest now. It's gonna be very dark, so see you guys outside. It's the skeleton of Kiwi. The massive egg.
That's the moa.
Alright, we're going to see some kiwis inside. It's gonna be really dark. We're gonna see you guys very soon. We haven't seen any kiwis. No luck.
No,
Not this time. Because they're in the dark and they're really shy. So if you guys want to know more about kiwis, we can make the whole episode. Just comment down below if you want to know more. That's a dragon. Who is that then? Baryonyx.
Whoa. Look at that.
Baryonyx. And there's one more. Oh my god, there's a massive T-Rex. Oh my god.
Baby one.
This baby.
Are those raptors
These
or
are
T-Rexes?
Dilophosaurus. Hi, Dilophosaurus.
Oh, did you see that? He was eating something.
Oh, wow. These are mystic creatures. And this is a dragon. It's a dragon. Let's go.
This one.
Which one do you want to
Which one do you
go?
want to go in?
Right or left? 1, 2, 3, go.
Go. Ah!
You're scared.
Ready? What's inside?
Oh my god, look at these aliens.
Go this way.
Unicorn. Dragon fossil.
It's the skull of a dragon.
One. That's cool. Ancient Egypt gods, goddesses, and demons. Maxi.
And stay with mommy and daddy, don't get lost. These are gods of Egypt. Egyptian gods. Looks like Kiwi, doesn't it? You're right. Could be a Kiwi god maybe. This is Sphinx. This is Horus.
Protector of the kings. Anubis. Protector of the dad. Bigfoot. Wow. And the mermaid.
Oh, and a mermaid.
Mermaids. This is a triceratops.
Wow.
Where are you going?
Have you seen what's behind you?
Ah, go fast! Fast, fast, fast! Do you know what's the name of this dinosaur? What is it? You don't know? Me too. I know this one. Who's that? T-Rex. Oh,
These are baby ones.
there's a raptor blue. Oh, there's a raptor. Where's the raptor? I think this is a raptor.
Is it? What?
What is it? Stegosaurus.
Wow.
Yay!
This is my favorite one actually.
Who's that?
You know the name?
Yeah.
What is it?
Dinosaur.
That's right.
Spinosaurus. Spinosaurus. What's this dinosaur, Max? Like maybe Diplodocus.
And they captured that one.
Oh, dangerous raptor! Watch out! Watch out! He's dangerous!
Where are you going, Maxi?
Choo choo! Going on a train. If you know, guys, we've done some train before, but this time we decided to do it again and see maybe we'll find some more dinosaurs this time. Do you like coming to Jurassic Park? Yes.
What are you gonna do next?
What are we gonna do next?
Choo-choo train.
We're going on the
Choo-choo
choo-choo train. Have you seen how many dinosaurs there are around? Do you think they're gonna come and try to catch us? No? Or maybe they'll try to bite
A
us?
lot of people coming.
No, no, they will not. They will just gonna be like, Max, hi! Where are we going?
Hello.
Hello, turtle. Yeah. Why are you looking at me? Hello.
Look at turtle.
Bunny out soon, I think.
And the parrot. Look at those parrots.
Look at this one. Yeah.
Hello. Look at this little white fluffy bunny. He's cleaning himself.
Do you clean yourself?
No.
No.
Do you wash your face? Of course you do. Max, go down. He's like, oh no, I'm trapped.
It's inevitable.
Whoa.
Yeah, we don't want to be standing on the shield, buddy. Oh. With a nice little pack. That's pretty figure out. Lisa, you already been out. Let's just start with that.
Is funny?
You want to have a bath, Mr. Moody? It says you want to have a bath, right?
You're driving a tractor.
Tractor.
This one. You can do this one. That one, I don't know if it comes up anymore.
To do this one. Wow. Look, that's all for the goats. Just for them to go around all the way up. Doesn't move, no. Hello. No, we don't
just
have
had a
food for
haircut.
them. Ooh, someone got a nice haircut. Look at you. Ooh, you're flexible.
Flexible.
Oh, oh. Yeah, you eat it. It's great yourself.
There's another one there. Who's watching this guy?
Oh,
And why are you doing that one? Hey, look at the poo-poo.
Little accident. Show me. Oh, you got a dinosaur egg, and you've got what? Is it a wristband?
Yeah.
Oh, a T-Rex. Wow. Alright, did you guys enjoy our trip today? I hope everyone enjoyed watching the video. If you guys like the video, just put the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and see where we're gonna go next.
And a pirate.
Pirate. Oh, that's a good idea.
And we can go buy toys in pirate one.
Who's chasing you?